In this video, I will show you how to highlight cells equal to a specific value in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a list of transactions containing item name, date and amount in these columns. Now I want to highlight the cells containing a value equal to an iPhone in a light yellow color. Let's create a formatting rule based on the formula. Select the range of the cells containing item names. Now go to the Home tab, click the conditional formatting option and then select the new rule menu item. Select the use a formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a formula that either returns a true or false value. I will enter this formula to check if the cell value is equal to an iPhone. I will use the first cell in the range, cell B3, and compare it with the text iPhone using the equal to sign. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background to yellow, select the Fill tab from the top. I am going to choose the light yellow color as the background. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the Preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the cell value is equal to an iPhone. Click the OK button to close the conditional formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the item cells containing the text iPhone are now highlighted with the light yellow color. We can also refer to a cell value instead of hard-coding the value directly into the formula. For example, in this Excel sheet, I have the item name stored in the F3 cell. I will slightly change the formula to check if the current cell value is equal to the value stored in the F3 cell. I will also make the F3 cell reference absolute using the dollar signs like this so that it does not change when Excel applies this formula to other cells. As you can see, all the item cells equal to the value stored in the F3 cell are now highlighted with yellow color. The formula I used in the cell formatting is not case sensitive, which means that the cell will be highlighted regardless of the text case. For example, as you can see in this Excel sheet, the cells containing the value in lower, upper or mixed cases are all highlighted. If you want to highlight cells in a case sensitive way, that is, highlight cells only when the case of the text also matches, we can use the exact function. The exact function compares two string values and returns true if and only if they are both the same, including the text case. I will change the formula to use the exact function instead of comparing the string values using the equal to sign like this. The rest of the settings will remain the same. As you can see, only items equal to the specific value, including text case, are now highlighted in yellow color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, which means that if you modify any value, the format will be changed automatically. For example, if I change any cell value to make it equal to a specific value, the selected format will be applied automatically. Similarly, if we make any formatted cell value not equal to the specific value, the yellow background color will be removed like this. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.